Bright Life, nakaranas ka na bang magkaroon ng emergency pero hindi mo alam kung saan kukuha ng pera? Or nakaranas ka na bang maospital pero hindi mo alam kung saan kukuha ng pambayad sa ospital at pambili ng gamot? O kaya naman, naranasan mo na manghiram sa ibang tao para may maipambayad sa ospital pampagaling. With insurance, hindi mo na kailangang i-worry ang finances mo in times of injuries, accident, illnesses, and even death. Ito ang dahilan bakit kailangan ng insurance. No matter how old you are, no matter how young you may be, no matter how healthy and fit you are, kailangan mo ng insurance because this will serve as your financial backup in times of emergency. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang future natin, kaya mas mabuti na lagi tayong handa. With insurance, you live in comfort with the knowledge na hindi mo maiiwan ng family mo with tremendous emotional and financial stress. Kaya naman, dapat lagi tayong handa. That's how insurance works. And a simple piece of advice na best advice na rin, kailangan kumuha ka na ngayon, ASAP at mag-usap na tayo to know more about our plans na mag-fit sa iyong goals. Thank you!